Hey lovely people, welcome back to my channel made by Yuma. In today's tutorial we are going to see about a beautiful flower clip. So this is based on the spring theme, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notified of all my videos and latest updates. So you can go check out my videos under the videos tab as well as the popular uploads under the home tab. And let's quickly jump into the video now. So this is the beautiful spring flower hair clip we are going to see in this tutorial. So you can make this with a single color or three different colors as you like. So let's see what are the things we would need. Anchor thread of size 8. So I'm taking three different colors for the flowers, and for the leaf we would need a green color, and also for the center part of the flowers we would need an yellow color. Then for the crocheting right, I'm using 1 mm crochet hook. You can use 0.5 to 0.75 mm as well. We would also need some scissors and the hair clip. So here I'm taking a hair clip of size 2.5 inches long. So it depends on the size how many flowers you would need, and we would need a glue. Let's start working with the center part of the flower by taking the yellow thread and making a magic circle. Then make chain 1. So if you are new to crocheting, then you can check out my videos on crochet basics. That would really help you. I will provide the link in the description box. Then continue making 6 single crochet into the magic circle. For a single crochet, insert the hook into the magic circle, grab the yarn. Now we have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. So this is how we make a single crochet. I'm going to make 6 in total. So then we have to pull the tail end to shrink the size of the magic circle, and then let's make a slip stitch into the very first chain we have on this magic circle. For a slip stitch, insert the hook into the chain beneath both the strands of the chain, and then grab the yarn, pull through the yarn and pull through the one loop we have on the hook. So this completes the first round, which is the center part of the flower. Then pull the yarn to about an inch or two and then cut the yarn. Now we are going to make the flower. I'll show you with the pink one. So let's take the tail end of the pink thread and then bring the hook under any one of the chains. Here we have 6 chains in total. So bring the hook under the chain and then grab the yarn and pull through the chain. Then make a chain stitch and make sure you pull the pink tail end very tightly, so this acts as a knot here. Then continue making 5 chains. Chain 3, chain 4 and chain 5, and then we need to make a double triple crochet. That is, you have to yarn over thrice and insert the hook into the same chain space, grab the yarn, then yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, and you have to do this 3 more times. So that's it, our double triple crochet is done. So we have to make 2 more double triple crochet into the same chain space. So friends, we made three double triple crochet. Now we have to make three chains and make a slip stitch into the very first chain, that is on top of the third double triple crochet. Make a slip stitch here and then continue to make 5 chains. 2, 3, 4, 5, and insert the hook into the same chain space. Make a slip stitch here. So one petal is just completed. You can see how beautifully it has come. Now continue to work on the second petal. So make sure you bring the tail ends at the flip side while you work on the next petal. So for the next petal, make a slip stitch into the next chain. Insert the hook, grab the yarn, pull through the yarn and make a slip stitch here. And we have to repeat the pattern, that is chain 5 and then 3 double triple crochet, that is 3 double triple crochet, and then you have to make 3 chains, make a slip stitch, then followed by 5 chains. So this is the pattern we are going to follow and complete 6 petals in total. So I will meet you at the end of the 6th petal. The 6 petals have been completed, and I'm going to make a slip stitch onto the same chain space where I made the last petal, and then make a slip stitch into the next chain, that is the chain space where we made the first petal, the very first petal. Make a slip stitch and pull the thread to about 2 inches, and then we can cut the thread. So with this our flower is complete. So while applying the fabric stiffener to the flower, so we would make sure the loose ends are like sticked at the flip side of the flower. So friends, let's work on the leaf part now. So for the leaf, take the green yarn and make a slip knot. So there are many ways to make a slip knot. I use a crochet hook. You can use whatever way it is comfortable for you, and then continue to make a chain of 12. So chain 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Then we have to skip the very first chain and make a slip stitch into the second chain, and then make a single crochet into the next chain space. Then make a half double crochet into the next chain space. Then make a double crochet into the next chain space. So we are going to make about 4 double crochets here in the consecutive chains. So we just finished first double crochet. We're working on the second double crochet onto the next chain space, and then the third double crochet in the next chain space, then the fourth double crochet in the next chain space, and then make a half double crochet in the next chain space. Make another half double crochet in the next chain space, then make a single crochet in the next chain space, and then make a slip stitch in the next chain space, which is our last chain space. So we just completed one leaf. We are going to make one more leaf attached to the same thread. So that is, we will continue to make chain 12 and repeat this pattern to make another leaf. So the leaf is ready. We have to make two more leaves. I'm gonna apply fabric stiffener to the flower as well as the leaf we just made. So take the flip side and apply the starch and make sure the tail ends are covered and let it dry for about 15 to 20 minutes. Similarly, apply the fabric stiffening of the back side of the leaf as well. Now it's time for drying, so let it dry. And after about 15 to 20 minutes, the flower is totally dried. As you can see, it has become really stiff. Now I'm gonna cut off excess threads that's coming out of the flip side. So I have made two other flowers with different colors, and similarly I made two other leaves as well. So now let's see how to assemble it on top of the hair clip. So this hair clip is about 2.5 inches, and let's use a fabric glue. Apply some fabric glue on top of the hair clip and attach the leaf, and then apply some glue on top of the leaf and attach the blue flower. So you can just attach in the order as you wish. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. If you do so, please hit the like button and as well as give your valuable feedback. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I'll meet you next interesting video. Until then, take care and tata bye bye.